Hey everyone, welcome back. In this episode, I'm going to share with you a healthy green papaya paratha recipe. It has numerous health benefits. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon located next to the subscribe button to stay connected. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we require: 1 cup of grated green papaya, half a kilo wheat flour, some salt, water and oil. First we are going to cut the papaya and just peel the skin off. I need half papaya, so I'm going to peel half of it. Store in the refrigerator with the skin. It will stay good for a long time. Wash and wipe it. I want the papaya to be finely grated, so I'm using a small eye grater. A delicious way to include raw papaya in your diet. Here I've got a cup of grated green papaya. For the dough, I have taken half a kilo wheat flour. To this, add some salt. Mix well. Adding grated green papaya. Combine all of this well. Papaya has moisture in it, so mix well before adding water. Now let's add water little by little to form a dough. Raw papaya has nutritious value. It has sodium, potassium, vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium and iron. If you have diabetes, eating green papaya can reduce glucose levels in the blood. Cover the dough, let it sit for 5 minutes. The dough is nice and soft. Once you have rolled the parathas, just put it on a heated griddle. Do not turn it immediately, let it cook for 30 seconds. Flip it over. You can add oil or ghee to it. It's ready to be served. A delicious way to include raw papaya in your diet. Do try this and share your feedback in the comment section. If you like this papaya paratha, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.